I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Spend half my life on bloody paths, don't I? Don't lead me down the garden path. Well, good afternoon, Internet. Welcome to Sutton Hoo. Evening, Triplers. How are we all? Did you enjoy my take flight of the mighty Z1000 Ninja H2 Supercharge? Mother of all mothers. Anyhow, I'm just going to meet the boy, young Dion, triple Dion, single pot 50 Dion, and I thought I'd bring you along. Well, I just thought, you know, tell you about me week and me day, mate. Today I done an awareness course through the Suffolk County Council. I got caught, as you probably are aware, in Charsfield the other month. Had a few technical problems with Zoom on the laptop, ended up doing it with my old Samsung phone, mate. No trouble, hit the link straight there, mate, in a queue. Yeah, that was interesting. One thing what come out of that, apart from all the speed awareness stuff, the last time I did one was a long while ago, when I got caught doing over 40 coming down the A15 from Lincoln, or heading down to Lincoln from the Hull area, or that sort of thing. And I was told that in Suffolk there was 27 static cameras. She reckon there's only 3 now, so that just shows how much they rely. Whoa, 40 Dave. There's only 3 static ones, so the rest are all mobile. That's why, yeah, I stick to the speed limit now, because they're mad for it around here, or in Suffolk generally. And that seemed like all the people who were on the course, one lady said that she just turned out of her drive, went up the hill, not really concentrating and in a bit of a hurry, went over 30 by a little bit, got caught. This is like yards from your house, so they're popping up everywhere. So that was, the one thing I was going to say, she showed us different roads, you know, the ones if that's a lit area and there's no repeaters like these telling you 40 or anything at 30 miles an hour. And then she went on to dual carriageways. So we all said, yeah, 60, yeah, 70, you know, if it's the national speed limit. And then she said, right, what is the speed on this dual carriageway? Well, that was a single lane running that way and a single lane running that way, with a raised soil curb bed down the middle of it, and she classed that as a dual carriageway. Because I said, no, that's a two-way. No, that's a dual carriageway. That's classed as a dual carriageway, even though there's not dual lanes either side. That's a dual carriageway. Well, I said to her, well, that's the first time I've been heard. Perhaps I'm just a little bit thick, am I? but I always thought that a dual carriageway was dual as in two that way, two the other way, but neither here nor there. You live and learn, don't you? So this morning's 3 hours I learned something, apart from keep your bloody speed down, David. The thing is, I didn't want to chip in because being an HGV driver, a motorcyclist and a car driver, I had quite, you know, a unique perspective on speed awareness and awareness in general. But the one thing I didn't say anything about was that last Saturday I rode a motorcycle what a break every law in England, Wales, Ireland in first gear, which it would do. So I thought I better not, chaps, better not let that slip, had I? Nobody would have thought that was big and clever anyway. I know you lot don't. You just think there's something else that Dave has shot to bits. Anyway, I'm coming a long way round because that said Church Road, the little back road from us, from Rendlesham, is shut. So I'm coming this way. Look at the deers, look. Oh, see if there's an albino one. There's quite a few about actually, the old white ones. Are you allowed to say that? Any old who. When I came in the other way, came into Hoseley, bearing in mind I've been on an awareness course this morning, there was 3 gentlemen, oh they might still be up here actually, along at the start of this road up here with a speed camera. Or not a camera, a detector, you know, 3 of them, one with a clipboard, and you've seen them. Anyway, because I was early, I was only doing 20 miles an hour, I was going so slow, I went, morning, as I went past. Anyway, shared that on social media, and me good old mate Sean Bardwell said that his missus got caught for speeding coming away from an awareness course. She was a copper for 30 years. That did make me laugh. Anyhow, this has been a short one. I did do a little short as I was waiting for the boy there. Been a long, hard old winter, but yeah. Anyhow, we'll see. Don't know quite what's happening tomorrow. I don't think Wiggy's lot has got something organised. They're going to TT, but don't know, mate. I might just go and have another poke about in the shed at the old Peugeot, you know what I mean? Alright, see you lot later. Bye for now, have a good week.